Welcome back to another West Country Tech video. In this video, we're taking a look at an industrial site who called upon our services to improve their security, as well as staff and visitor safety on site. To do this, we installed 5 cameras. We installed an ANPR camera to monitor vehicles coming and going from the site, tracking number plates on the system. We installed multiple bullet cameras around the site, as well as TOC cameras to cover entrances, yards and just work areas in general for more security as well as health and safety. Then finally, we have a PTZ camera installed on an elevated pole to monitor the entirety of the rear yard to monitor all of the use of heavy machinery, again for security as well as staff and visitor safety. Its elevated position and movement capabilities making it ideal for this situation. All camera images are then sent back to the recorder. In this case they are all hardwired back and can be monitored on the screen provided or the smartphone app.